Hi there, this video is live, complemental, extreme, climate change, destruction, weather forecast, UK, 23. Like this video, please a thumbs up on the left side of the screen. Tighten the motor digital, it is 16 to 5 PM in the afternoon, and well, that's 5 minutes to 5 PM in the afternoon, and it's the, wow, you name it guys, Monday, 17th of July, 23. So, it's all about the weather around the world globally, with climate change and extremes of different types of weather patterns, and what we call weather block patterns, and upper global sea temperature. Let's get on with it guys right now. So across the UK last weekend, on Saturday last weekend, on the 15th of July, we had a very nasty gale force winds. Same on Sunday the 16th of July. It was 55 miles per hour winds down the south and central recorded, which is highly unusual for July, winds wise, most unusual. At the same time, on the other side in New Hampshire, that's yesterday, Sunday, they had a lot of rain because New Hampshire, northeast of Boston, around there, around New York, a lot of rain, really quite nasty last weekend, really quite disruptive. And it's quite wet and cool because the northeast of North America, where 3/4 of America, especially down in the southwest, around Death Valley, it's 55, I think it's 56 Celsius today, record breaking temperature or higher than that for the next few days. It's very hot at the moment. And over here, we're talking about the weather, over here guys, across here guys, continents here, to Hawaii. You're talking about a hurricane in Hawaii. Oh yeah, Category 1, or tropical storm, potentially. Quite nasty guys, probably a big tropical storm, it's close to a hurricane. Look out for that across that part of the world globally. And over here, across southeast and southern Europe, you have a temperature of 44 Celsius this coming Wednesday, the 19th of July, or it might be 48 Celsius in Italy, right? It's going to be mental guys. It's been very hot across Italy this year, which early February this year, it was very hot there, very mentally hot. It's definitely getting unusually warm these days. I think it's definitely climate change, but it could be other reasons. For example, black matter coming out of the planet Earth, the core of the planet. There's a lot of things to play for, guys. It's all going on around the world globally, the climate. And of course here, on the southeast of China, around Hong Kong, we've just had a typhoon which is going into this part of the world right now, which is quite nasty, quite destructive. This is serious stuff, guys, this climate change. And across Japan, we have record rain temperatures to the southeast of Japan, and have a lot of rain in the northeastern parts of Japan recently. And South Korea's had a lot of rain recently, last weekend. Quite a lot going on around the world globally at the time, guys. And across southeast of Australia right now, you're having a drought starting up due to Super El Nino, which is causing this drought across Australia right now. We look at bushfires this coming winter, in 2023, 2024, across the southern hemisphere of Australia. And due to El Nino, Super El Nino, west coast of South Peru, west coast of west coast of South America, we're going to see a lot more extreme weather. It's releasing a lot of heat into the oceans, 5 degrees more this year. It's going to be mental, guys, because you've got a core, we've got a global core of warm water around the UK, around America, and the world globally. It's very hot the water at the moment. About 4 to 6 degrees above average around the UK last month in June. I think it's cooled down a bit now, but it's still very above average. It's really driving these weather patterns, these warm waters are, and the weather is getting more destructive. The clouds are holding more moisture. When you get rain, clouds over now, it's a lot heavier. You get the raindrops the size of your thumb, or huger than that, hailstones, just out of a light rain cloud. It's mental, guys. The climate's getting hotter. There's nothing else we can do about it. We have to accept climate change, get on with it, and be one of each other. If you like the video, please a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel on Sunday Germans with the force be with you always. Put that spot. Needs and many. Outweigh these three. Yeah. This is my friend's working gym on the ITF Friday Feeding. So Hills Radio Station every Friday, 3 to 5 PM. And a lot of participants 1500 to 1700 ITF Friday Feeding. So Hills Radio Station. Show you what you can see here today, what I'm wearing right now. There you go, guys. I am one of the best men in the galaxy, no joke. And this is me live on Lara Show every Sunday at 9 to 12 PM. John Matt on the Awakening Show every Sunday. Because we're going places, guys, traveling places. We'll get through these train strikes somehow. We do not like these train strikes, they're our problem. But we will have to be positive and try and get on with life. Somehow we'll get out and about. I will continue my adventures. Please thumbs up, subscribe to my show on Sunday Jones. Please thumbs up on the other side of the screen. Thanks for watching. Please be happy. Please thumbs up. Subscribe to my show because the climate's getting more disruptive, more dangerous, and more wicked than ever. Take action, take shelter. I'm not joking. This climate's getting hot, guys. It's hot as a volcano. No joke. Subscribe to my show on Sunday Jones. Bye, everyone.